friends, welcome to Uttara Shrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In our Instant Pot series, today we're going to make a South Indian traditional dish called Ven Pongal. This Ven Pongal is a soft, creamy rice and dal breakfast. After you eat this, you'll want to sleep. That's what I call it, the sleeping pill. Let's get started. The ingredients are rice, moong dal or yellow petti, ghee or clarified butter. You can adjust ghee according to your taste. Salt. For seasoning, you will need black peppercorns, cumin seeds, curry leaves, ginger, and cashew nuts. Set your Instant Pot on saute mode. Saute moong dal until it gives a nice aroma. Nice fragrance is coming from the dal. It's time to add rice and saute until it gives a nice smell. Now add water. Adjust water according to your rice quantity. Set Instant Pot on pressure mode and cook on high pressure for 8 minutes with pressure valve on sealing position. While the rice and dal is getting cooked, let's prepare the seasoning. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and roast black peppercorns, cumin seeds, curry leaves, ginger, and cashew nuts till it looks golden brown. Once pressure releases naturally, open the Instant Pot and mash the cooked rice and dal using a masher. We have transferred the mashed rice and dal to a mixing bowl for seasoning. Add the fried seasoning, ghee, salt, and mix well with the mashed rice and dal. If you want to know the secret to make the best pongal ever, add ghee. The key ingredient to good pongal is ghee. The second you put pongal in your mouth, the pongal will slide down your throat, just the way kids go down the slide. That kid could be you. South Indian Ven Pongal is ready for serving with tiffin sambar. Wondering how to make tiffin sambar? Don't worry, click our suggested video that pops up to make a palatable tiffin sambar. Enjoy Ven Pongal for breakfast or brunch. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make it. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon on our next video. Bye!